What's up, y'all? I'm gonna give y'all a little intro before the intro here. So sorry, it's gonna be a little echoey. I'm out in the garage. It's raining and everything nasty out there. But as we are 10, sorry, I gotta do this. 10 people. I'm holding the camera here. So we're 10 people away from our 500 subscriber count. I can remember once we hit 500 subscribers, I'm gonna give away a Lose LFS combo to somebody in one of those videos. We're gonna do a little announcement on that, and we'll go through the likes and the comments and everything and pick a winner out of that. So once we hit 500 subscribers, guys, we're gonna do that. And enough about that. We'll let you get into the fishing here. So Bassmaster Kayak Series on Lake Murray, day 1. What's up, y'all? So day 1, Bassmaster Kayak Series opener on Lake Murray. We're out here. I've made it to my spot. It's this beautiful rock pile right here. There's rocks on the bank, but the majority of it's under the water. That's what I'm looking for. So all it is a rock pile. It comes all the way out here. I'm sitting in 20, and there's rocks about 50 feet to the right. So I'll say there's rocks all the way from the bank out here to about 20 foot of water, 15, 20 foot of water. So it's a good spot for this fish to stage and push up. And then we've got a spawning pocket cove, protected cove back here behind me that these fish will spawn in. So I'm just finding all these little rock piles and stuff like that are outside the spawning areas. And I'm going to ping pong through all those, just kind of pinball through all those. And I've lined up about 15 to 20 decent spots where I got bites and caught fish and stuff in practice. And hopefully there's more than one fish, because I would roll up, I'd make like 1-2 casts, catch a 4 or 5 pounder, and then I'd leave it, go to the next one. So hopefully I can roll up to these and catch 2 or 3 4 and 5 pounders, and make that happen throughout the entire day. I'm looking for like 94-95 inches as evidenced by the Hobie BOS last month. You can lead at day 1, but day 2 is what matters. So as long as I'm in contention, the main thing is with any of these tournaments, I just want to be in contention. Like, you want to be a threat to win always. So I feel like with the stuff I found in practice, all these rock piles, I marked a ton of them. I marked them. The way I do my waypoints is if I catch a fish over 19 inches, I make the waypoint black. If it looks really, really good, I make it green. If it's something that I kind of want to check throughout the day, maybe it's a really good, look like a good spot, but I didn't catch anything on it, I'll mark it red. And then if I'm not going to fish it at all, but I need to check it some other day or something like that, I'll leave it yellow. So here we go. There's our rock pile right there, and that's what we're going to be fishing. Looks like there's 1 or 2 fish kind of scattered throughout it. And yeah, right over that direction. So I'll say here in about 2 minutes we're gonna make a cast and see what we can get off of it. So all right, y'all. There he is. There we go. No. Here we go. Little one, but it's a start. Gotta start somewhere. World. He's got the hook through him into the net. Lose the 3 pounder, catch the 14 incher. Right now it's a fish on the board, so I will take it. Right now it's a fish on the board. First fish in the tournament out of the autopilot. It's a 14 1/4. Woo! 14 1/2. Look at us. Hopefully we get rid of that one today. There we go. A small one. Get him in the boat. Another small one, but if he comes in the boat, he adds. Alright. Dose. Dose. We have dose now. Maybe. Short and chunky. Oh man. Short and chunky. I think the size limit's 12 inches. Let's see. They're not the ones I was catching yesterday. Not the ones I was catching yesterday or the day before. But that's what it's gonna take. That's what it's gonna take at the moment. $14. Oh. Football jig through there 10 times. Nothing. Threw the football jig through there 10 times. Nothing. Shaky head in there once. Swallowed it. Oh. Man. Those are the ones that need it. Barely hooked too. Barely hooked. Alright, there are rods everywhere. Got rods all over the place. Football jig that fish didn't want. That's one of the ones that we need. $19.5. Need 4 more of those. All right. Oh, that's another good one. nets all the way in the back. Oh, why did that go back there? No, 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 no. Ah, fish. Why are y'all like this? Oh. There's a school of fish right there. I've caught two and missed two. Caught two, missed two from that school right there. Alright. Remember to put the net back this time. We will remember to put the net back this time. These fish do not want a football jig. They don't want anything to do with a football jig. Shaky head though. Now we're talking. Tail's so white. $17 3/4. All right. All right. That was kind of a surprise. Oh, don't you jump! Don't you jump! Well, I know these main lake points are good for that. Good for smaller fish. There's plenty of these smaller fish out of these main lake points, but I think a lot of the big ones have pushed in already. Alright, let's see. I think that might be number 5. $14.5, number 5. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Oh, come on. Please be bass. One. This is a bass. This is a giant one. It's not rolling or anything. Bass. Oh. Everything's tanking. Hook falls out. That old ratty thing. Thing has seen better days. That's a really good call. It's a good upgrade. What's going on with my board? It's sitting weird. 20 and a half, man. Look at that thing. Oh, 20 and a half. That's a good upgrade. That's a very good upgrade. Yeah, tag this thing too. Smoke. That'll cull a little bit. I got a mess. That'll cull a little bit. I think we missed the 20-incher that I just caught, of course. That'll kick out one of the 14s. Kick out one of the 14s that I've got. I've actually fished this spot last year and caught them pretty well on a jerkbait right up off the bank. But slightly deeper now. Or slightly deeper now. Fish. $15 3/4. Give me an inch and a quarter upgrade. Man. All right, so end of day one, that saw me sitting with 89.5 inches in 7th place. So kind of the mantra going into this was, you can't win it on the first day. Like, you can't outright win the whole thing on the first day, but you can lose it on the first day. If you come in with 3 fish or something like that, you could really, really stumble for that. So being in 7th place after that, at the end of day one, put me in a really, really good spot. You know, I was 6 or 7 inches out of first place, so not entirely insurmountable. You know, there was a cold front coming through that day and stuff like that, so I knew that there's going to be some change up going on in the leaderboard, and I knew that my pattern, the stuff that I had, a little bit deeper water, was kind of what I was kind of going to be weatherproof. You know, a little bit more weatherproof than anybody that was fishing super shallow water when the temperature and everything drops 20 degrees and it's cloudy and everything like that the next day. So I'll say that's my plan. You know, I was going to run all the same stuff. I lost some fish and things like that, lost some fish, missed some fish. So I knew I'm on a pretty good pattern. So I caught that 20 and a half, caught the 19, caught the 17. So, and I caught plenty of big fish on the out practice. So I know the fish are there. Just got to do a little bit better for day 2. So, all right, we'll end day 1, and next video is going to be day 2 for you guys. And remember, like, comment, subscribe, and we're going to be doing the giveaway once we hit 500 subscribers. So, all right, y'all, see y'all in the next one.